Welcome, Olathe. The gutter guys are right here in your neighborhood, ready to equip your home with the most reliable gutter guards on the market. In Olathe, where each season brings its own challenges, having durable gutter guards is crucial. Our solutions are tailored to Olathe's unique environmental conditions, ensuring your gutters remain clear and effective throughout the year. With the gutter guys, you get more than just gutter guard installation. You get a commitment to excellence and a home protected from water damage. Our team in Olathe is skilled in providing installations that last and perform. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.llc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. Thanks for choosing the Gutter Guys, Olathe. We look forward to ensuring your home's safety and your complete satisfaction. Trust us to guard your gutters, and we'll ensure they guard your home.